give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Welcome po sa ES Ventures.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Hello, my name is DJ. If you are new to this channel, I invite you to subscribe to get an access to free tips and tutorials. Okay, so share ko lang tong yan, so tatlong bote ng mga waxes, no, different waxes ng River City Link Chemicals. Gusto ko lang i-share yung kanilang sequence or hierarchy or yung kanilang order, ano. Ayan, base okay lang siya ginawa, base sa features, okay. So ito yung sunod-sunod niya, ayan, 1, 2, 3. So base kung kailan siya ginawa, so ito yung syempre ito yung sa kanilang tatlo, ito yung pinakaunang na release, so tagal na, before pandemic pa. Yan, so ito yung na release ng River City Link Chemicals. Tapos ito medyo bago pa to, after pandemic, yan, na release na tong River's Premium Ceramic Wax. Okay, tapos ito naman yung pinakabago, 2024. Yan, River's Premium Gapin Wax. Okay, so 2024 to, no? Very new talaga. Ano lang to, March 2024. So ito yung sikat ngayon sa market. So yun yung yung hierarchy, yung pagkakasunod-sunod. In order na rin yung features na, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Ibig sabihin ito yung Graphene Wax ngayon yung may pinakamagandang offer sa card detailing, okay? So siya na yung may pinakamataas na hydrophobic and water beading. Siya yung may pinakamataas na anti-static and anti-dust, yan, feature. Siya yung pinaka long lasting, okay? So ito yung pinaka long lasting. Tapos ito yung shiny, yan, yung pinaka shiny, okay, and easy, no? Easy application tong River's Premium Graphene Wax, no? Tapos in order na rin yung kanilang price. So ito yung pinakamura, yan, yung blue, followed by River's Premium Ceramic Wax, and ito yung pinakamahal, River's Premium Graphene Wax. Okay, mas mataas na yung price nitong mga premium products. Yan, nilalaro ko nga yung sticker. Ang ganda ng sticker, oh. Nagre-reflect siya, diba? Sticker pa lang, kislap na. So lalo na pag ginamit mo, diba? For sure mas mag-slap siya. I hope may nakuha kayong info, and kung meron kayong sarili experience dito sa mga products na to, yan, I ask kung may i-comment nyo dito sa video, no? Comment down below, okay? Para naman kami mabasa namin, and makita namin kung ano ba yung experience nyo, and matuto kami, ano, from that. So that's all for this video and update. Once again, this is DJE. Thank you and goodbye. So, if you're looking for a premium quality car, motor, and bike care products, you may check ES.Enjoy Shopping on Shopee or Facebook. Once again, this is DJE. Thank you. Bye.